Welcome to the AI Toolkit Online. Now, in this video, we'll introduce the AI YouTube feature, which is a YouTube to blog tool that's so powerful it'll transform your YouTube videos into high quality blog posts, and it does so much more. So, to get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI YouTube feature. This tool helps you repurpose video content into engaging written articles for your website and blog and more. So simply paste the link to your YouTube video into the input field. And this is the video that I'm going to um, post over. It is the AI Toolkit Online introduction. And let's see what we've got here. So here's the YouTube link. You'll notice that there is include your brand. When you do that in a prior video, there was a way to set up your brand. So if you have a company, you can upload all of your training documents, PDFs, product videos, and so on, and that gets weaved into your output. For the purpose of this video, we won't include it. You can also generate multiple blog posts, but in this case, we'll just simply do one. We'll do prepare a blog post where it goes to the video and it listens to what the video says essentially, and it translates it into the document section off to the right. Now, there's a tone of voice. This is pretty cool if you want to introduce different types of tones in the output. So in the original video, it is pretty professional, kind of bland, boring in a way. So let's do something a little bit different. Let's make it sarcastic. We'll make the creativity premium, and within seconds, the AI will craft a professional blog post based on your video. It includes a clear introduction, organized sections, and a compelling conclusion. So the generated blog post is well structured, it's SEO friendly, and it's ready to publish. And you can also customize it to add your personal touch. So, for example, let's take there from time to time you may see errors. So you may see a situation here where the word indie logic is misspelled. So let's just go ahead and make that correction. Scan through it to make sure that there's no other areas where there are missed grammar. So indie logic, and so on and so on. So okay, there you have it. So you can have it rewrite. You can also save to Microsoft Word. You can save it to your clipboard, but it is automatically saved to your documents folder. Now, another cool feature that I really like is, let's say you're looking at a product video, and in this product video, they're promoting their product, but with AI YouTube, you can do so many other things. You can help it explain the main idea, not just create a blog post. That way, it helps you understand what this video is about. You can create a list. You can create a TLDR, which is too long, didn't read, which is like a summary. Finally, you can prepare pros and cons. This is awesome. So you see a product, let's say it's a car or something that you're considering buying. It will go in and evaluate the highlighted features in the video versus some research it does as far as what are some of the cons with this. Now, I'm stepping out on a limb here on AI Toolkit, and I'm going to have it generate casual, but have it generate pros and cons of AI Toolkit. So within seconds, you'll see the pros, which you could use, or which I could use in my marketing videos and marketing collateral. It also has a couple of cons. I mean, there is a learning curve, even though we try to make it so simple and intuitive. There is a subscription cost. The coding feature may require or suggest a QA testing because it is an AI after all on the coding. But you can see, code generation, there's content creation support, there's automated customer service, and so on. It boosts efficiency, and it has a list of comprehensive features, which includes 25 advanced tools and over 100 40 pre-made templates. So that's the AI YouTube feature. It makes repurposing video content fast and effortlessly. So log in today and turn your videos into impactful written content with AI Toolkit Online.